Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva 7 LTZ, stock reference number 4698. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light, radiator grille, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left tail light, it's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and right guard has one small dent, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electronic handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.